right here from Barbara's Force-Free Animal Training with some advice on how to clean or bathe your cockatiel. Taking care of your cockatiel's feathers are very important, and bathing is a big part of that. Now, one of the important things to keep in mind when you're trying to bathe your cockatiel is you don't want to use force. You don't want to just suddenly get him wet without his approval. You actually want to make it something he looks forward to doing. Now, different cockatiels like to bathe different ways. One way is to offer a bath pan, a nice shallow bath pan so that they can walk right into it. Now, if they're not too comfortable with that, you might want to work on training them to be comfortable with a spray bottle. For some cockatiels, this can be pretty scary, so you actually want to go slow. You might even want to pair the presence of the spray bottle with something that they really like millet spray. If all that is just a little too much, then you might try something a little less scary, like maybe some wet lettuce leaves that you can hang from the side of the cage. No matter what you try, you don't want to force your parrot. You want your parrot to choose to participate. You're not actually going to train him to go through the actions of taking a bath, but you're going to set up the situation and then hope that nature kicks in and he'll start bathing like a regular cockatiel.